that we memorize in this moment the first phrase. Okay? Ready? Rafa, ready? Third page. It's easy to be simple.
Thank you. Angelica. And to be simple.
Let's practice the metro culture. So this ride
It's enjoyable.
is enjoyable for everyone. Metro takes you to your destination.
Metro takes to you your
Second phrase. Smiling is good for the soul.
Smiling is good for the soul.
There's always a reason to smile.
There's always a reason to smile.
Smiling is also
Smiling is also a part
of the metro culture.
of the metro culture.
Women are highly regarded in the metro system. Treat them with courtesy and respect. Never cross the lines of sound. Okay, read it.
Safety with the metro system is a joint community. Be careful with your personal belongings and please report any suspicious activity to the metro staff.
Okay, the red button.
The red button, good lever, should only be used in case of emergency.
Okay, Claudia, go ahead. Metro belongs to us all.
Metro belongs to all. We can keep it clean by not eating, drinking or smoking in trains and stations. Please help us assist.
Danny.
Giving up your that shows consideration for others. Let those who look tired or show difficult staying have a seat. We appreciate kindness in the metro system. Let's live the metro culture.
Please, read with me. You pronounce. Pronuncia conmigo. For safety reasons. Pronuncia conmigo. For safety reasons, access to the metro system is forbidden while under the influence of alcohol. It's not complete. Forbidden, prohibido. Okay, the next one. Eric, next one.
What is it? The 10, Mr. 10.
10, please, keep on.
Keep on right so everybody can move about easily.
Running in stations and trains can cause accidents. Remember that safety within the metro system is also a shared responsibility. Rafael, keep reading. Well, please, we love children.
We love children and care for them in the metro system. Together we can ensure they enjoy a stay right, hold their hand at all times, and never leave them in the care of a stranger.
Okay, good. Go ahead. For safe.
For safe
And quick
right.
avoid
Lady.
again the door.
Claudia, next. For Jim.
For your own safety, always stand behind the yellow lines of the platform. Standing behind the line ensures of safety while awaiting the train. Completing with the rules is a metro standard. Let's leave the metro culture.
Okay, and Sebastián, do not
Push others so nobody gets hurt or misses their train. Be careful and respectful with other passengers when boarding the train.
Okay, so the objective today is that, as I told you before, while we are traveling inside the wagons, we can memorize, learn by heart. Hey, learn by heart. Pronounce with me.
Learn by heart.
Pronounce with me. Learn by heart. Again. I am, I can. Do it again.
I am I can.
Some phrases and you will try to memorize those phrases, okay? I salchichón, salchichón. No say salchichón. I salchichón, salchichón. I am the leader of my life.
I am the leader of my life.
Awesome. It's a small world. Okay, everybody going to say 3 times I salchichón, salchichón. Again, 3 times. Again, 3 times.
Salchichón.
No. no salchichón. I sell salchichón. I sell salchichón at the seashore.
A salchichón. A salchichón.
I sell salchichón.
A salchichón.
At the seashore.
A seashore.
¿Cómo así ya lo dice? A ver, vamos a probar.
No.
I sell. She's kidding me. Okay. I sell salchichón. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
I sell seashell.
At the seashore.
At the seashore.
Okay, another phrase like you birds of a feather flock together. Pronounce with me. Birds of a feather
Flock together.
flock together.
Flock together.
Dios los cría y ellos se juntan. Birds of a feather
Birds of the feather.
flock together.
Flock together.
The early bird
The only bird.
catch the worm.
Catch the worm.
Placer, cachetón. The early bird catch the worm. Say it again. Say it again.
The only bird. Catching the
Say it
worm.
again.
The only bird catching the worm.
Say it again. Don't say cachetón.